guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail with Canva. First thing you want to do is download Canva from App Store or Play Store. Launch the app, and when it's open, type YouTube thumbnail in the search box. And when it's loaded, you can choose from any of the free samples there, but I would like to use the blank page. Next, you want to click on uploads, then upload an image or video. You can choose whatever picture you want, image you want, and wait for it to upload. Choose the picture, adjust the size till you are satisfied. Then click the plus sign and select text and select add a heading, and type your title, make it catchy. You can change the size and color of the text. Next, you click the plus button and add a background. Look for a background that's free if you're using a free version. So I'll just change this background to another one. Yes, I like this one. I'll change the font color to white and make the last one yellow. Now I'll make final adjustments. And click the first arrow on the top right corner of the screen and download. The dimension is stated there, 1280 by 720 pixel. You can add or try other features, whatever you desire. So let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.